Your arteries are under attack every single day from stress, processed foods, environmental toxins, and inflammation. Over time, plaque builds up on your arterial walls, narrowing the pathways that deliver life-giving blood to your heart, brain, and vital organs. Most guys don't think about arterial health until it's too late, until they're facing a heart attack, stroke, or cardiovascular disease. But what if I told you that one simple drink every morning could help sweep your arteries clean, reduce inflammation, and support optimal cardiovascular function? This isn't some miracle cure, but it's a powerful combination of natural compounds that work together to promote arterial health. What's up, guys? Today, I'm revealing the exact recipe for a morning drink that specifically targets arterial health and cardiovascular function. This drink combines ingredients that have been scientifically proven to reduce arterial plaque, improve blood flow, lower inflammation, and support overall heart health. The best part? It takes less than 5 minutes to prepare and costs pennies per serving. Cardiovascular disease is still the leading cause of death for men, claiming more lives than all forms of cancer combined. But here's what's encouraging. Much of cardiovascular disease is preventable through lifestyle choices, and your diet plays a crucial role in either promoting or preventing arterial damage. The ingredients in this morning drink work through multiple mechanisms to support arterial health. They help reduce oxidative stress that damages arterial walls, lower inflammation that promotes plaque formation, improve nitric oxide production for better blood flow, and support the body's natural processes for maintaining clean, flexible arteries. Research on each ingredient shows impressive cardiovascular benefits when consumed regularly. Studies have demonstrated reductions in arterial plaque, improvements in blood pressure, better cholesterol profiles, and enhanced overall cardiovascular function. The key is combining these ingredients in the right proportions and consuming them consistently over time. Today, I'm breaking down the exact recipe, the science behind each ingredient, how to prepare it for maximum absorption, and the specific protocol that maximizes cardiovascular benefits. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about giving your cardiovascular system the tools it needs to function optimally for decades to come. The first and most powerful ingredient is pomegranate juice, specifically 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugars or preservatives. Pomegranate is one of the most potent foods for arterial health, containing unique compounds called punicalagins that have been shown to actually reverse arterial plaque buildup. A landmark study published in the journal Atherosclerosis followed patients with severe carotid artery stenosis who consumed pomegranate juice daily for 1 year. The results were remarkable. The pomegranate group showed a 30% reduction in arterial plaque thickness, while the control group showed a 9% increase in plaque buildup. This suggests that pomegranate doesn't just prevent further damage, it can actually help reverse existing arterial damage. Pomegranate works through multiple mechanisms to protect arterial health. It's incredibly rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals before they can damage arterial walls. It reduces inflammation by inhibiting inflammatory enzymes and cytokines. It improves nitric oxide production, which helps arteries relax and maintain healthy blood flow. The compounds in pomegranate also help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is crucial because oxidized LDL is what actually sticks to arterial walls and forms plaque. Regular LDL cholesterol is relatively harmless, but when it becomes oxidized, it becomes highly inflammatory and dangerous to arterial health. The second ingredient is fresh lemon juice, which provides vitamin C and citrus flavonoids that support arterial health. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which helps maintain the structural integrity of arterial walls. It's also a powerful antioxidant that works synergistically with the compounds in pomegranate. Research shows that people with higher vitamin C intake have significantly lower rates of cardiovascular disease. The citrus flavonoids in lemon, particularly hesperidin and diosmin, have been shown to improve endothelial function and reduce arterial stiffness. Lemon juice also helps improve the absorption of other nutrients in the drink and provides a natural flavor enhancement that makes the drink more palatable for daily consumption. The third ingredient is raw garlic, which contains allicin and other sulfur compounds that have profound effects on cardiovascular health. Garlic has been used medicinally for thousands of years, and modern science has validated many of its traditional uses for heart health. Studies show that garlic consumption can reduce arterial plaque formation, lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol profiles, and enhance overall cardiovascular function. A meta-analysis of multiple studies found that garlic supplementation reduced arterial plaque volume by an average of 7.5% over 12 months. Garlic works by improving nitric oxide production, which helps arteries relax and maintain healthy blood pressure. It also has anti-inflammatory effects and helps prevent blood clots that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. The key with garlic is using it raw and allowing it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes after crushing to allow the allicin to form. Cooking garlic destroys much of the allicin, so raw garlic provides maximum cardiovascular benefits. The fourth ingredient is apple cider vinegar, which provides acetic acid and other compounds that support cardiovascular health. Research shows that apple cider vinegar can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce arterial inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Food Science found that acetic acid consumption led to significant improvements in cardiovascular risk factors, including reductions in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. Apple cider vinegar also helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for cardiovascular health because insulin resistance is strongly linked to arterial damage and cardiovascular disease. The fifth ingredient is Ceylon cinnamon, which contains compounds that help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Chronic high blood sugar damages arterial walls and promotes plaque formation, so anything that helps stabilize blood sugar supports arterial health. Studies show that cinnamon consumption can improve glucose metabolism, reduce inflammation markers, and support overall cardiovascular function. Ceylon cinnamon is preferable to cassia cinnamon because it contains lower levels of coumarin, which can be harmful in large amounts. The sixth ingredient is cayenne pepper, which contains capsaicin that supports circulation and cardiovascular function. Capsaicin helps improve blood flow by promoting vasodilation and has anti-inflammatory effects that benefit arterial health. Research shows that regular capsaicin consumption is associated with lower rates of cardiovascular disease and improved circulation. The heat from cayenne also helps increase the bioavailability of other nutrients in the drink. Here's the exact recipe for the Artery Cleansing Morning Drink. 6 ounces of 100% pure pomegranate juice, juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 clove of fresh garlic crushed and allowed to sit for 10 minutes, 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar with the mother, 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper to taste. The preparation method is crucial for maximum effectiveness. Start by crushing the garlic clove and letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to allow allicin formation. Combine all ingredients in a glass and stir thoroughly. Drink immediately on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before eating breakfast. The timing is important because consuming this drink on an empty stomach allows for maximum absorption of the active compounds. The nutrients can be absorbed quickly into your bloodstream, where they can begin working on arterial health immediately. Consistency is absolutely crucial for seeing cardiovascular benefits. This isn't a one-time cleanse. It's a daily habit that provides cumulative benefits over weeks and months. The compounds in this drink work gradually to support your body's natural processes for maintaining healthy arteries. You should start noticing some benefits within the first few weeks, such as improved energy levels and better circulation. The more significant cardiovascular benefits develop over months of consistent consumption, as your body's antioxidant system strengthens and arterial health improves. Quality of ingredients matters enormously for cardiovascular benefits. Choose organic pomegranate juice to avoid pesticide residues and artificial additives. Use fresh lemons rather than bottled lemon juice for maximum vitamin C content. Select raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother for maximum beneficial compounds. Some people may experience mild digestive upset when first introducing this combination, particularly from the garlic and apple cider vinegar. Start with smaller amounts and gradually increase to the full recipe as your system adapts. Individual tolerance varies, so adjust the garlic and cayenne amounts based on your preference and tolerance. The key is finding a balance that you can maintain consistently rather than creating something so intense that you won't stick with it. This drink can be modified based on individual health conditions and preferences. People taking blood-thinning medications should consult with their healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of garlic. Those with sensitive stomachs might need to reduce the apple cider vinegar or take it with a small amount of food. The cardiovascular benefits extend beyond just arterial health. Regular consumption of these ingredients supports healthy blood pressure, improves cholesterol profiles, reduces systemic inflammation, and supports overall heart function. This morning ritual also provides other health benefits beyond cardiovascular support. The antioxidants support overall cellular health and may help slow aging processes. The anti-inflammatory compounds benefit joint health and may help reduce the risk of various chronic diseases. Cost-wise, this drink is incredibly affordable compared to cardiovascular medications or supplements. The ingredients cost less than $1 per serving and provide multiple health benefits that would cost hundreds of dollars in supplement form. For maximum cardiovascular benefits, combine this morning drink with other heart-healthy lifestyle practices. Include regular exercise to strengthen your cardiovascular system, manage stress through relaxation techniques, avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, and maintain a diet rich in vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Regular monitoring of cardiovascular markers can help track your progress. Consider getting annual lipid panels, blood pressure checks, and inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein to objectively measure improvements in cardiovascular health. The research supporting each ingredient is extensive and continues to grow. New studies regularly confirm the cardiovascular benefits of pomegranate, garlic, and the other ingredients in this formula. This gives confidence that you're using evidence-based nutrition for heart health. Remember that cardiovascular health is a long-term investment. The damage to arteries accumulates over years or decades, and the healing process also takes time. Consistency with this morning drink, combined with other healthy lifestyle choices, provides the best foundation for long-term cardiovascular health. This drink represents a proactive approach to cardiovascular health rather than waiting for problems to develop. Prevention is always more effective and less expensive than treatment, and starting early provides the best long-term outcomes. If you're ready to take your cardiovascular health seriously, with a comprehensive approach that includes this morning drink plus additional heart-healthy strategies, I've put together a complete cardiovascular optimization guide. It includes detailed recipes, lifestyle recommendations, and monitoring protocols to help you achieve and maintain optimal heart health. You can find the link in the description below. What's your current approach to cardiovascular health? Have you tried any of these ingredients before for heart health? Are you ready to commit to this daily morning ritual for better arterial health? Drop a comment and let me know your biggest cardiovascular health concern or question. And if this video gave you a practical tool for supporting your heart health naturally, make sure to subscribe for more evidence-based health content that helps you take control of your wellness. Thanks for watching, and here's to clean arteries and a healthy heart.